Hi, I'm Steve from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today I'm going to show you how to get free stickers, free stuff from all over the country, from businesses, from individuals, from ministries, from candidates, all kinds of things. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the biggest sticker we've ever received. So keep watching.
Money Smart Family.
Alright, if you're looking for free stickers, the first place you want to go is to MoneySmartFamily.com to our free stickers post, and that link is in the show notes below, along with lots of other information. On our post, we list more than 200 different places where you can get stickers. Now I want to tell you there's lots of different ways to get them, and the top way, in the way that we've gotten most of ours, is we've got more than 80 companies that have free sticker request forms. And that's where most of these came from. There's another section that has companies that have contact forms where if you send them a message through their contact form and ask for a free sticker, they'll send them to you. Another area, more than 20 companies that will send you a free sticker if you send them a self-addressed stamped envelope. Now that'll cost you a little more than $1 because you need 2 stamps. One to mail the envelope and one on the envelope that's inside of the envelope that has your address on it. That's a self-addressed stamp envelope. So there are other companies in the list that if you go into their store, they'll give you free stickers, and we'll show you some examples of those too. We have a bunch of companies that if you just send them an email and ask them, they will send you a sticker too. This is the sticker we got from Patagonia. It's pretty cool looking, and all we had to do was request it. Moose Tracks Ice Cream sent us this. Saucony, the running shoes, sent us these. The clothing company Southern Marsh sent us a bunch of stickers. Look at those. We got some stickers from Chipotle, but they made me work for them. I had to write a little jingle, and they sent us these. They're kind of hard to see, but they're transparent. We've gotten stickers from Chaco. They have stores too you can go in and get stickers from, but there's that one. Backcountry sent us some stickers. Medico sent us some stickers. I think they are a CBD distributor. Here's more stuff we got from Patagonia. We got a bunch of different stickers from them. American Farmland Trust sent us a bumper sticker. Moxum Radio sent this, and we had to go onto their either Facebook page or Twitter account and share them, and they sent us a bunch of stickers. Element Skateboard sent us this. This was really smart because it's just a postcard with the stickers die cut on them that you can just peel off. So that saves them money, and it came really quickly. Some of the companies that you have to go in the store to get stickers include Trader Joe's, and they have a roll of stickers at each of the checkouts, so you can get them for your kids or get them for you. At Dutch Bros Coffee, the first day of every month they release a new sticker, but you have to go to Dutch Bros to get it. And it's a different sticker every month. In-N-Out Burger used to mail stickers, but now they're limiting it to just in-store. So go in there with your kids or go in there by yourself, ask for a sticker. If you ever see the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile driving around your town, you can get a free sticker there. If you go to Sprouts Farmers Markets, you can get a free sticker there. Alright, we're down to the last couple that I want to show you. This was a killer deal. We have 3 sons who were Eagle Scouts, and so I wrote away to Merrill, M-E-R-R-E-L-L, Merrill, and told them that we had 3 sons that were Eagle Scouts and we loved their hiking shoes and our kids spend lots of time in the outdoor. They sent us stickers, decals, and a bunch of patches. These are embroidered patches. We've never gotten this much stuff from one company. It was an amazing little packet when we got it in the mail. Okay, this is it. This one came with a packing slip. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. I'm not going to tell you who it's from yet though. One of them is 24 inches long. Okay, almost there. Don't want to cut anything on the inside. There we go. Look at that. I mean, you talk about a killer connection, a killer bunch of stickers. These are all Michelin stickers. That one is huge. This one you could use as a headband. And we love Michelin tires. We buy them for our cars. They last a long time. We get them from Discount Tire, and we'll have a link that you can go check out the prices on Discount Tire in the show notes down below. Well, that's it. That's how you get free stickers from companies and ministries and campaigns and businesses all over the country. Make sure you go to MoneySmartFamily.com and read our free stickers post. It's in the link in the show notes below. We keep updating that so that it has the most current information out there, and you can get free stickers mailed to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, or you know of companies that give you free stickers when you send them an email, have a contact form, or have a free sticker request form, or they give you free stickers when you go in the store, leave it below and we'll make sure to include it on our post. And watch these videos next if you want to save more money and get stuff for free.